Hello students, today we are going to see 12th standard business maths second chapter integral calculus 1 exercise 2.9. Evaluate the following using properties of definite integral. First question, integral of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 x cube cos cube x dx. So, first we have to consider f of x is equal to x cube cos cube x. So, instead of x you have to substitute minus x. So, f of minus x is equal to minus x the whole cube cos of, instead of x you have to substitute minus x the whole cube. So, minus odd, this is odd number. So, if you multiply minus into minus 3 times, we will get minus only. So, minus x cube, here cos of minus x formula cos x. So, minus x cube cos x the whole cube means cos cube x. So, this is considered as f of x. So, minus f of x. So, minus f of minus x is equal to minus f of x. So, f of x is an odd function because here minus. If it is plus, that is even function. So, what is the formula by property? Integral of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. So, if f of x is an odd function, so by the formula, according to the formula, you have to substitute what is the value of this one? Integral of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4, that is minus a to a. F of x is x cube cos cube x dx is equal to 0. So the value is 0. The second question, integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. Let us consider f of theta is equal to sin square theta and f of minus theta. Now we have to substitute, instead of theta you have to substitute minus theta. So f of minus theta is equal to sin of, instead of theta minus theta the whole square. So sin of minus theta formula minus sin theta. So minus sin theta the whole square. So that is equal to minus of minus plus, so sin square theta. So f of minus theta is equal to f of theta is an even function because it is plus sign. So f of minus theta is equal to f of theta is an even function. By the property, what is the formula? Integral of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 2 into integral of 0 to a f of x dx. If f of x is an even function. So, instead according to this, we have to take out the, instead of this question, we have to take out using the formula. So, integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square theta into d theta is equal to 2 into integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta d theta. So, 2 into integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. Instead of sin square theta, we have to take first cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 2 sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So, what is sin square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 into d theta. So, 2 into this 1 by 2 constant term. So, take outside. 2 into 1 by 2 integral of 0 to pi by 2 1 minus cos 2 theta into d theta. If we integrate 1 into d theta, theta. Cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta by 2. So, the limit value 0 to pi by 2. So, first you have to substitute upper limit. Pi by 2 minus sin 2 pi by 2 by 2 minus lower limit 0 minus of minus plus. So, sin 2 into 0 0 by 2. So this term 0 and this term also 0. So pi by 2 minus this 2 and 2 cancel. So sin pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 means sin 180, that is 0. So 0 by 2 also 0. So pi by 2 minus 0 is equal to pi by 2 is the answer for the second question. The next question, third question is integral of minus 1 to 1 log of 2 minus x divided by 2 plus x into dx. So let us consider f of x is equal to log 2 minus x by 2 plus x, and that is equal to, we have to take log m by n means log m minus log n. So log 2 minus x minus log 2 plus x. Instead of x you have to substitute minus x. So f of minus x is equal to log of 2 minus, instead of x you have to substitute minus x, minus log of 2 plus x, here minus x, and minus of minus plus. So log 2 plus x minus log 2 minus x. You have to take out the common for minus into this term comes here. So log 2 minus x, because you have take out of the minus, and minus log 2 plus x. So what is minus of this term will be considered as f of x. So minus of f of x is an odd function. So by the property, if it is an odd function, f of x is equal to minus f of x is an odd function, the integral of minus a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. So you have to take the question now. Integral of minus 1 to 1 log of 2 minus x by 2 plus x into dx is equal to 0. This is the answer for the third question. The fourth question, integral of 0 to pi by 2 7 power 7 sin power 7x divided by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x into dx. So I is equal to, let us consider I is equal to integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x divided by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x into dx. This is the first equation. And then we have to take another one property for this sum. Integral of 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral of 0 to a f of a minus x into dx. So I is equal to, we have to take instead of x, a minus x. What is a here? Pi by 2. So integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7 pi by 2 minus x, and then sin power 7 pi by 2 minus x, here cos power 7 pi by 2 minus x, and I is equal to integral of 0 to pi by 2 cos power 7x divided by cos power 7x plus sin power 7x, because sin pi by 2 minus theta cos theta, that is 180 by 2 90 minus theta cos theta, cos theta and sin pi by 2 minus theta cos theta, and here sin theta. So cos power 7x divided by cos power 7x plus sin power 7x into dx. This is the second equation. Let us add this first equation and second equation. We will get 1 plus 2 is equal to 2i, because I plus I 2i is equal to integral of 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x divided by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x plus this one second equation cos power 7x divided by sin power 7x plus cos power 7x. So 2i is equal to, we will take this for LCM, we will get sin power 7x plus cos power 7x, and we have to add this numerator sin power 7x plus cos power 7x. So this term and this term will be cancelled. So 1. So x is there. X, how it comes x? into 1 into dx. So if we integrate 1 into dx, we will get x. X integral of limit value 0 to pi by 2. So 2I is equal to, first upper limit you have to substitute, pi by 2 minus 0 lower limit. So that is equal to pi by 2. So this 2I is equal to pi by 2. This goes into the denominator. We will get I is equal to pi by 4 is the answer for the fourth question. Let us see the fifth question. Integral of 0 to 1 log of 1 by x minus 1 into dx. So I is equal to integral of 0 to 1 log of, you have to take the LCM for this two. So x is the LCM. So 1 minus x into dx. So log of, instead of by the property, instead of x you have to put a minus x. So what is a here? 1. So log of 1 minus, instead of a, 1 minus x, and here also here write 1 minus x. So into dx, integral of 0 to 1 log of 1 minus 1 minus of minus plus x. So divided by 1 minus x into dx. So integral of 0 to 1 log of x by 1 minus x into dx. So this is the second equation, and this first I is first equation, and you have to add these two equations. This is x, f of x, and here instead of x you have to substitute a minus x is the second equation. If we add 1 plus 2, we will get 2I is equal to integral of 0 to 1 log of 1 minus x by x plus log of x by 1 minus x into dx. So now this is log m plus log n. So we have to multiply these two. So log m into n into dx. So log 1 minus x by x into x by 1 minus x into dx. So x cancel, 1 minus x cancel. So integral of 0 to 1 log 1, because all the terms are cancelled. So log 1 into dx. So log 1 value is 0. 0 into dx, 0. So 2I is equal to 0. So therefore I is equal to 0. Thank you students. Thank you for listening. We will see the next exercise in the next class. Thank you.